recording.
It's summertime.
Okay, guys, we're getting ready. We have modified the rocket. We're getting ready to put in. We're getting ready to put in the igniter and the plug. This is going to be an interesting launch. This rocket is far heavier than ever before. It has a massive payload of both a camera and an engine as a counterbalance. We don't know.
What's the official name for it?
I don't know. What is the official name of this guy? Sky Tracker?
No. I mean the rocket. Yeah.
I don't know. Counterbalanced. So this is a camera. It's going. Let's go put it on the launch pad. Chandler's going to attempt to launch this guy. We don't know if it's going to get off. Ian's going to hide behind. Okay, so here we are at the launch pad. Here's the car. Chandler, the pin's out. Safety first. Everything's out.
Check the charge.
I will. Here we go. We're getting her on the launch pad. There is a chance that we will not launch. There is a chance that this will stay on the launch pad. If it does, sort of go back because it's going to explode when the detonation charge goes off. Countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Do we have lights?
I don't.
Do we have 4? Do we have lights?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Launch! Launch!
Wait guys, hi guys.
No.
We just did a big launch.